Hello friends, today we are finally printing our first print in Tronxy X1. So this is completely unmodified version of the printer, just as if you would just build it right now, and slightly tune up, make sure it functions, but that's pretty much it. No special tune up for any tensions and things like that. So let's see how it looks like. Here's a bit of a time lapse actually depicting how the print turned out. Yeah, it's not the best time lapse, but it's my first one, so enjoy. So here we are, this is the final print, and I think it's turned out to be relatively okay. Obviously it has a lot of stringing and bridging issues because this thing doesn't have a cooling fan, and maybe I have to tweak a little bit of the retraction settings, which were 40 mm per second and 1.5 mm, and temperature was 197. Maybe I can run it a little bit lower, but I think the major thing is because it doesn't have a cooling fan. So with cooling fan it will be so much better. So I think it's quite a bit of success, the first print just out of the box for Tronxy X1. What do you think? Alright guys, that's probably gonna be it. Happy New Year and see ya next time. Thank you for watching.